Walang basehan, puro takot lang. Are you saying no to marketing because of fear and not data? If this sounds familiar, you might relate with this couple na si Ian at saka si Tin. Meron silang school and office supply store sa kanilang city. Now, things are doing okay. Pero meron silang mga regular customers at meron din silang mga decent monthly sales. Kaya okay na okay. Si Ian ngayon, gusto niyang itry yung Facebook ads dahil nakita niya yung kanilang competitors nagpo-post din ng ads. Nakakakuha ng engagements at siguro nakakakuha rin ng bagong customers. Kaya sabi niya, love, we should spend 10,000 a month on ads. Kasi ibang mga tindahan yun din ang ginagawa eh. Pero si Tin, sabi niya, no, sayang ang 10,000. Hindi nga natin alam kung magwo-work ba yon. What if walang bumili? What if malugi lang tayo? So, Ian tried to explain na kailangan nila ng bagong customers na ang sales nila ay flat. Pero si Tin got defensive. Sabi niya, flat, pero kumikita naman tayo, di ba? So, why risk it? Sabi ni Tin. So, pinag-awayan nila to for the next many weeks. Every time Ian brought it up, Tin would shut it down. Hindi dahil she really knew better based on data, but she was just afraid. She was just scared. Alam mo ba ang nangyari, anak? Yung kanilang competitor, which is just another supply store 2 streets away, started running Facebook ads. Kaya within 6 months, yung competitor nila, nadoble yung foot traffic. Students started going there instead. And as for Ian and Tin, they watched their sales dahan-dahan na bumabagsak. And Tin finally admitted, sana pala, sinubukan natin. Sayang, di ba? Anak, the lesson is this. Fear without data is just guessing. If you're saying no to marketing because you are scared, not because the numbers don't make sense, you are making decisions based on emotion. Hindi yan ang pagtakpa-patakbo ng ating negosyo. So start looking in those numbers. Always remember, that's how we are. Business-minded Pinoys.